Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to install Cloud and Excel. Want to bring Cloud AI directly into Excel? Here's how to set it up. First, make sure you're using the official Microsoft Excel app, and then you're signed into your Microsoft account. Once you're inside Excel, look toward the top right corner for the Add-ins button. Click it, and the Add-ins search box, type in Cloud. You should see a couple of options appear. One is Cloud from Microsoft 365, which works across Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, while the other is Cloud by Anthropic for Excel, which is specially designed for Excel. For this tutorial, choose the Excel-specific version and click Add. If you encounter an error during installation, don't worry because it's usually caused by not being signed in properly. Simply sign in and log into your Microsoft account. After signing in, you can right-click the Cloud add-in if it partially installed, remove it, and then add it again. In most cases, it fixes the problem immediately. Once the installation is successful, Cloud becomes available directly inside Excel, allowing you to analyze data, generate formulas, summarize spreadsheets, and perform other AI-assisted tasks without leaving the application. If the add-in still doesn't appear, try restarting Excel and checking for Office updates, since some features may require the latest version to work properly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.